Do you want to know how to set up Ticket Toolbot in your Discord server? In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step. Start by heading to the Ticket Tool website. I'll leave a link in the description. Click the Invite Ticket Tool button. You may need to sign into your Discord account in your browser. Expand the dropdown and select your server, then click Continue. Make sure you're not giving administrator permissions. Then click Authorize and verify that you're human. If you're not automatically redirected, go back to the Ticket Tool site and click Login or Authorize again. Select Manage under your Discord server. Now go back into Discord. Open your server settings by clicking the server title. Select Roles, then find the Ticket Tool role. Click and hold the role and drag it upwards. You'll want this role to sit above most roles, usually just beneath moderator roles. Save changes. Next, you need to create a role for staff that will handle tickets. If you already have one, you can skip ahead, but I recommend creating a dedicated role just for support staff. Click Create Role, name it Support Staff, or something similar. Pick a color if you like, and decide if you want it displayed separately. Disable the option for anyone to mention this role, then go to Permissions. Clear permissions, move the role higher in the list below moderators and bots, then save changes. Now, create a new category for support. Right-click the side panel, click Create Category, and name it Support or something similar. Enable the option to make it private, then click Next. Select the roles that should access tickets, including the Ticket Tool role, your support staff role, and any verified member roles. Click Create Category and move it near the top of your server. Right-click the category, choose Edit Category, go to Permissions, make sure the Everyone role is selected, then scroll down and enable Read Message History. Save changes. Click the plus sign in the Support category, add a new text channel, and name it Support Ticket. Now head back to the Ticket Tool dashboard. On the side, click Panel Configs, then Create One. Name your panel, click Create, and select the General option. Expand the Support Team Roles option and add your support staff role. Save changes, then go back. Under Category, choose the category we created earlier. Save changes. Go back and select Messages. Then Edit Panel Message. Expand the embed editor and edit the message if you want, but make sure to explain that users need to click the emoji button to create a ticket. Save, then return. Open the Permissions section, edit Ticket Owner Permissions, and enable Read Message History. Save changes. Finally, go back to the Panel Configs page. Click the Send button at the top, expand the dropdown, and select the support ticket channel we created. Click Send. Head back to Discord and you'll see the panel message posted. Members can now click the Create Ticket button to open a new ticket. A private channel will be created where only staff and the member can see. Staff or the ticket creator can close the ticket when done, with confirmation required. Staff can also choose to transcript, reopen, or delete the ticket. Deleting removes the channel entirely and is recommended in most cases. And that's it. Ticket Toolbot is now fully set up in your Discord server. If you want to take your server to the next level, check out our store for pre-made headers and graphics, and don't forget to watch another Discord tutorial here.